Good morning, students. So, children, we learned about the flowers and their colors in the last class, is it? So, today also we are going to continue the same lesson. So, we should recall some things regarding this lesson, children. You know about the cubit, is it? So, one cubit. So, 1 yard. You know about cubit and then yard. So, 1 yard, that's equal to 4 cubit. We learned about this. And also, these are all called as the units of informal measurements. So, these measurements are used by the people who string flowers and then flower sellers, flower buyers. And then so many different flowers that are grown in different seasons. See? And then we also know about the characteristics of the flowers. For example, shape of the flower, and then how many petals it has, and then so does the flower give the fragrance or not? About this we learned in the previous session. In this session we are going to know more about this lesson, children. First, find, children, 1 yard. It is equal to 4 cubit. So, this yard and cubit are units of informal measurements. Is it? So, there is 2 questions I gave here. See and read it properly and understand what we need to find out. If the cost of 1 kg of jasmine, the cost of 1 kg of jasmine is how much? 250 rupees. How much will be the cost of 5 kg of jasmine? Okay. So tell me, children, 1 kg cost is 250 and how much will be the cost of 5 kg of jasmine? You need to find out. So find out the 5 kg. So cost of 5 kg jasmine. Okay. So 1 kg jasmine based on is 250. But we need to find out 5 kg is equal to how much. So then 250 into 5. So 1 kg, its rate is, its price is 250. And then we need to find out how many, if 1 kg of jasmine is 250, then how much cost of 1 kg jasmine. So that's why we need to multiply by 5. We need to find out 5 kg, but we already know about 1 kg cost, is it? So that's why we need to multiply the 250. That means it's a 1 kg rate, and then it is 5 kg, is it? So you need to find out the, so what is the product, what is the, you need to find out the answer for this. So multiply this, 5 into 0, 0, is it? 5 5s are 25. So 2 is remaining, is it? And then 5 2s are 10 plus 2, because it is the remaining is 5 5s are 25, 5, is it? So 5 5s are 25. The remaining how much? 2. We need to add this number after multiplying this. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Then write it here. See here, children, 250 into 5. You know about the multiplication, is it? 5 into 0, 0. 5 5s are how much? 25. Is it? This is the unit place. You need to write this number in this place, and then the remaining is 2. Is it? So this one we need to add after multiplying these two numbers. 5 2s are how much? 10. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 how much? 12, is it? So then write here the 12. Okay. So then tell me how much cost or what is the answer we get after this is the what is this? This is the cost of 5 kg jasmine. Is it? Children, see here. The answer is 1250. This, what is this indicate? This is the cost of 5 kg jasmine. Okay, very clear. So let us go to the next sum. If a cubic length of flower costs about 4 rupees. So for the 1 cubit, 1 mola ಹೂವಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 rupees. Okay. Then how much will be the cost of 1 yard length of flowers? They have given about the cubic length. Is it 1 cubit length of flower? How much? 4 rupees. So 1 cubic length of flower costs about 4 rupees. You need to find out the cost of 1 yard length of flowers. First, children, mind it. What is a cubit? What is a yard? What is the difference between this? So 1 cubit means how much yard? 4 yard. Is it? Sorry, 1 yard. 1 yard is equal to 1 yard. It is equal to 4 cubit. So, ಒಂದು ಮಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನ? See here, 4 cubit, 1 yard. It is a yard. So, it is equal to 4 cubit. So, this, so children, you ಹೂವಿನ ಮಾರನ್ನ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So, this, the length of this we call as cubit. So, it is a 1 cubit. So, this is 4 times. This is 4 cubit. It is equal to 1 yard. This is yard. Okay. It is 1 yard. It is equal to 4 cubit. See here. 1 yard, that is equal to 4 cubit. They have given length of 1 cubic length of the flower, that is cost about 4 rupees. Is it? Then we need to find out 1 yard or 4 cubit. 1 cubic length of flower is equal to 4 rupees. Is it? Then you need to find out 1 yard. 1 yard or 4 cubit. We can write like this also. 1 yard or 4 cubit length of flower. It is equal to how much? So that's why we need to find out the length of the cost of 1 yard flower or 4 cubit length of flower. We need to find out the cost of 1 yard or 4 cubic length of flower. Is it, children? So then next step is we need to write like this. For 1 cubit, how much the cost of 1 cubic length of the flower is? Yes, 4. Is it? Here I am writing the cost of 1 cubic length of the flower, and we need to find out or multiply by the cost of 4 cubit. Is it? We need to find out, or we can write it. Cost of 1 cubic length of the flower, how much? 4. Then 4 yard. You can write 1 yard or 4 cubit. 4 cubit. So this is equal to 1 yard. Is it, children? So tell me the cost of 1 cubic length of the flower, that is 4. So then we can write 4 or into 4 means 1 yard or 4 cubic. Multiply this. We can get 16. Isn't it? So this is the cost of length of 1 yard of the flower. So what is this? We get the answer. So this is the length of, what is that? We need to find out the length of 1 yard. The cost of, see here. We need to find out the cost of 1 yard length of the flower. Is it? So this is the cost of 1 yard or 4 cubic length of the flower. In here we can write 4. I am writing here. Instead of 1 yard, we can write or substitute the 4 cubic. Because 1 yard is equal to 4 cubic. That's why I wrote here like this. 4 into 4 means it is the cost of 1 cubic length of the flower they have given in the question, is it? Then we need to find out the cost of 1 yard. So here instead of 1 yard I am writing 1 cubic. If you multiply this, you can get the answer 16. So that is the cost of 1 yard or 4 cubic length of the flower is equal to how much? 16 days. Okay. Okay, children, next we will move to the next one. So there is a conversation between the students. So your children find out about the rate or price of the different length of the flower. So 1 cubic length, it is if the 1 cubic length of the jasmine flower is 10, and then find out the 1 cubic length of the jasmine or any other flower. You can take what about the 1 kg of dahlia flower? Okay, or 1 kg or how much cost 1 kg of jasmine flower? Find out, and then children, we will move to the next conversation. Is it? So teacher, she is going to talk something about about what is that? Flowers. So I will going to read it. Plant the saplings of flower plants in the yard of your house. So yard means, so it is not a this yard. So it has a different yard. It is used to measure it is the unit of the informal measurement to measure the flower or anything. So here yard means ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ಮನೆ ಅಂಗಳ. So that it shows. Plant the saplings of flower plants in the yard of your house or grow them in pots. Practice to use flowers. You are using flowers daily, isn't it? So teacher telling that plant the saplings of flower plants in the yard of your home or in the yard of your house and grow them in or you can grow them in pots. Is it? So practice to use flowers. So then the Vijaya is the student. She is also talking with her teacher. Sir, Hasina's dress has the design of so many flowers. Even you are wearing the dress that has the flower design, is it? So like that, Vijaya showing Hasina's dress, she is talking or asking about the designs of the flowers on the Hasina's dress. So Hasina's dress has the design of so many flowers on it. So this one shows that the cloths has flower designs. Is it? So teacher, yes, you can see the designs of flowers on different things. So flowers inspire the painters. The painters to paint on the wall or it may be any other things, isn't it? they use the flowers to design. So that's why the colors or the flowers they inspire the painters, is it? So you can see many flowering designs, flowers or designs of flowers on different things. That's why flowers inspire the painters. So children, observe the things. Observe the things around you. So which things do you find having flower designs? What does that mean? Which things? You need to find out or observe the things around you. What things have the flower design? Okay. So you need to observe the things. Is it? So many things they have flower designs. Is it, children? So let us come to know about more information about the flower children. So do you know the children which is the largest flower in the world? Have you heard the name Rafflesia? So it is the largest flower in the world. But its seed is small as poppy seed. Agse beech anta kelidella, that is poppy seed. But the flower of this plant, it has a very bad smell. The flower of Rafflesia plant, it is the largest flower. Its circumference, adra agala eshtu barutte andre, it is 1 meter. Its weight is 7 kg. Okay, but its seed are small as a poppy seed. Okay, then the flower has a very bad smell. So know the children about the flower of Rafflesia is the largest. It is the largest flower in the nature. Flower in the world. Okay. Its circumference, that is, if it is a flower, see here, its circumference, that is called adra suttala, that is circumference, adra agala eshtiದೆ. So its circumference is 1 meter. How much? 1 meter. So what's its weight? Adu tooka eshtu? And it weighs about 7 kg. 7 kg. But it has a very bad smell. It has very bad smell. See? Okay. So then children, tell me which is the smallest flower in the world? The flower of Wolffia. Have you heard about the name Wolffia? So it is a water plant. It is a flower that plant grows in the water. A water plant of India. It is the smallest flower. Wolffia. The flower of Wolffia, a water plant in India. So it is the water plant, it grows in India. It is the smallest flower. So a number of Wolffia flower can be placed on the needle. So it can be placed on the tip of the needle. Okay. So the flower of Wolffia. We know about the Rafflesia. Next is the flower of Wolffia, a water plant in India. It is the smallest flower. Okay. Then a number of Wolffia flower that can be placed at the tip of the needle. Okay. See here. So that is first one. Let us write the second one. The flower of Ulfia, a water plant. It is grows in the water plant in our country of India. Which is our country? India. Is it? It grows in India. Which one? Ulfia. It has the smallest. It bears the smallest flower. Is it? Any number of flower Ulfia flower that can be placed on the tip of the needle. On the needle, suji tagondre adra tip tugi mele number of flower of Ulfia flower can be placed on the tip of the needle. A number of Ulfia flower can be placed on a tip of the needle. Tip of a needle. In a needle, tip of the needle, we can place a many Ulfia flower. Understand it, children? A sujiya tudinalli ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು Ulfia flower ಅನ್ನು ಇಡಬಹುದು. Have you heard about the lantana flower? It is one among the 15 most beautiful flower in the world. So lantana flower is one among the world's 15 most beautiful flower. So there is a lantana flower. It's a very beautiful. So in the world, so there are 15 most beautiful flowers are there. Among this, lantana flower is also one of this. Understand the children? Lantana flower is the most beautiful flower in the world. If you take in the world, there are 15 most beautiful flowers are there. So in that we can see lantana flower. Among this, lantana flower is one among these 15 beautiful flowers. So world alli 15 types of the flowers are there. So these 15 flowers are most beautiful flowers in the world. So idರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Lantana flower is one of among the world's 15 most beautiful flowers. Lantana flower is one among the world's 15 most beautiful flower. If we take up 15 flowers, so these 15 flowers are most beautiful flowers in the world. Among this, lantana flower is one among this flower. Okay. So then, do you know about the perfume, children? So perfumes are prepared using the flowers, especially which jasmine and then rose flowers are used to make to prepare the perfume. Is it? So not only perfumes are prepared using or from the rose. Some sweet is there. So some sweet is prepared using the rose petals. That sweet we call as gulkan. Gulkan, have you observed? Have you eaten it? It's a very tasty, isn't it? Using rose petals, people they prepare the sweet called gulkan. Is it? Not only perfumes that is extracted from the rose, that is prepared from using the rose petals, but a sweet can be prepared. That sweet is called as gulkan, is also prepared from using the petals of rose. So not only perfumes are prepared or extracted from rose. So sweet called gulkan is also prepared from the rose petals. Okay. So then, Karnataka, it is a prominent state in the field of floriculture. What is the meaning of floriculture? It is the art or the practice of growing the flower. So flori means it is a flower. Culture means growing the flower. Is it? So floriculture means it is the art or practice of growing the flower. That's called floriculture. So Karnataka is a prominent state in the field of floriculture. So in our country, so many flowers are growing, isn't it? So according to the report, 75% of the flowers are growing in our state. Is it? According to our report, 75% of the country's flowers are grown in our state only. So country will 100% flower ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 75% ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. Understand? Karnataka is a prominent state in the field of floriculture. Karnataka, you know about the floriculture. That means it is the art or the practice of growing the flowers. So flora means flower, culture means growing the flower. Okay, floriculture means it is the art or practice of growing the flowers. So Karnataka is a prominent state in the field of, it is a prominent state in the field of floriculture. So according to the report, 75% of country's flowers are growing in our state. According to the report. That means ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ if it is 100%, so only 7, so maximum flower, that means 75% of the flowers are grown in our country. According to the report, 75% of the flower of the country's flowers here. Country flower are grown in Karnataka, in our state. Okay, next one. And children, the flowers that is grows in our country. See, the flowers of our country, they are exported to different countries, are exported to foreign countries. The flowers of our country, it is exported to foreign countries. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So that much flowers we are growing in our country. So the flowers of our country, they are exported. That means they are given, they are exported to other or foreign countries. The flowers of our country they are exported to foreign countries. Okay. These are all about the lesson called flowers colors. Have given more information about the flowers, which is the largest flower in the world and which is the smallest flower in the world. So what sweet is prepared from using the rose petals. And then about floriculture have told 75% of the flowers are grown in our state. So that is according to the report, 75% of the flowers are grown in our state. Okay. Then the flowers, they are growing in our country, they are exported to foreign countries. So perfumes also prepared using the flowers. Okay children, I hope you are understood this lesson. So we will continue or we will start the new lesson in the next class children. Okay, thank you children.